I think it's like 2.5 years working with you and in the UPL. So there are a lot of good moments we had. I think when I just came to Bangalore, it was Suresh asked me to meet you. So it started with there, then like you were in on-site. Then again we came back to UPL. I mean, I came back to UPL. So remembering all those things, what I would like to say is working with you was any day and every day will be fun. A lot of learning. I mean, I was one of the lucky guy to work with you, and I mean that itself is a very good thing. I mean, based on your role, everything, seniority or what to say, the junior senior thing never came up any day. So it was good. I never felt like you're a senior or something like that. Nothing was there. Apart from that, technically, I think everyone would have spoken in this video that you are really good. I would also say you're really, really super good. It was good learning. I still cherish those moments in Building 50. Me, you, Swaggy, Nitin, Mohan. Oh God, it was I mean, that was one of the amazing time in my career till now. Like that fun we used to have. Oh God. So we miss you a lot. Wherever you go, you just rock and have a good time. And I hope we meet somewhere someday. So apart from that, I think to accomplish tasks which you have still not done, your brothers are still single. Bye Vinita, bye, all the best.
Hi Vinita, I wish you very all the best and may all your dreams come true. First time when I came to Motorola Network, the first person I got introduced to you is you, and the KT which you have given it, I was very impressed with the way you talk, and it's very pleasing manner. That's
Hi guys, first time on camera, so a little bit nervous, so I'm just going ahead. First of all, thank you Ashwish for taking this initiative. In fact, it's very good, and feels like Vinita becomes a celebrity by seeing this video, and even people who are giving this audio becomes like celebrities. Thanks for the initiative. About Vinita, whenever I hear the news, like it's actually a good news and a bad news that she is leaving Infosys. Of course, it's good for her and bad for Infosys. And Vinita, actually, I worked with her in the Air Liquid project first, and that was a good experience. We didn't have any sad moments, we had good and terrific moments. And Vinita, I can say she was the best one of the project, and she is responsible for making the project to run so long, and I think still running. And I think no one can still debug the codes which is written in Air Liquid. I think so. Still, I think only God might come and debug the codes there. About other stuff, I think that's it from my side. I just want to make this video short, and wishing Vinita best career in her life, and hopefully to meet her again soon in a different company. Thanks. Bye.
Hi Vinita. Just will take only a few seconds to speak about you, okay? It's been, I think, almost 2 years since I know you, and it's been a great time. I've had a great time with you in the aspects of learning and friendship. Okay. When we came here, I think me, Nitin, and Smita, we were all new, and the only senior people that we knew were you, Aslam, and Kavita. And whatever problems we had initially, it was a very difficult time for us during those days. And without your support, yours, Aslam's support, it is impossible that we would have reached this stage. It's been a great learning again, and yeah, as all know, technically very good, and I think it was not only about the technical discussions that we had, even the other discussions, every time we used to come to 50 building, we used to have great fun, with Mohan, Kiran, then Ashwij, then Swagatika, Prakash, everyone. I'll never forget those days. I really miss you. Any queries and any doubts used to come to you. So it's been great and all the best. Miss you loads.
Hi Vinita. First of all, I want to thank you very much. Because of you, I was the first person to get into the project. I'm really, thankful to you for that. And secondly, all the very best for your future. And I know wherever you go, you're going to shine. And as a person, I want to tell you that you're a very nice person. I mean, like, the quality which you have is like you treat everybody equally. And I have never seen you doing partiality. And you're very happy to help also. That's really very appreciated. And I'll be really missing you. Everybody will be missing you, and I don't know where Motorola team will be landing into. So thanks for everything, and keep in touch. Don't forget us. All the very best. Good luck.
Hey Vinita, so how are you doing? Last day at Infosys. So I'll just start off with VC. You came, you saw, you conquered. SFDC Motorola will not be the same without you. It's been a long journey for you, I'm sure. A real long. Started off from base, and the first company. This certainly is a happy moment and a bit of sad moment for you too. A lot of nostalgic moment for you. You'll be cherishing in the last few days. And all I would like to say is, wherever you go, all the very best, do well, rock the show as you did in Motorola, Infosys. And that's all from my side. Have a rewarding journey for yourself. Take care. God bless.
Hi Vinita. It's a very good opportunity to me to work with you. And I am the most luckiest person because I worked with you for a long time. And I learned many things from you, both professionally as well as personally. Currently I am learning how to escape from manager in tough situations. Just I am kidding with it. And anybody knows like Vinita is a hard worker and intelligent, but very few people knows like Vinita will play a lot at the desk itself. We used to play playing cards. I never forget those days, Vinita. And instead of telling I worked with Vinita, I can tell like I worked with my sister because you given such freedom to me. And wherever you go, surely will rocks, Vinita. Finally, I want to tell you one thing. Vinita and Victory both are twins. Wherever Vinita is there, obviously Victory also there. I wish you all the best for your bright future, Vinita. Bye.
Hey, hi Vinita. First of all, I wish you a very happy life ahead. Right now, I'm having a very mixed feel because at one end, I'm very happy that you are going outside, but like we are going to miss our mentor. I started the sales journey and you are like awesome. I never feel singled out. I never fear of asking you anything. You really make me very comfortable in Salesforce. Really, you are a true mentor, a true colleague, a true friend. Thank you.
Hi Vinita, this is Satish. I'm here to thank and convey my hearty wishes for your future endeavor. Here I wish to add one small incident. When I stepped into Motorola first day, Suresh told me that Vinita is a key resource for Motorola and DuPont. When I entered Motorola and spoke to Karthik, I'm surprised to notice that I'm going to replace you. And I was restless for 2, 3 or 4 days, but you made me easy. Thank you, and wish you all success for your future endeavor.
Great pleasure working with you for the past 2 years. I couldn't believe that 2 years have gone by since you came on board to the UPL project. A very fruitful journey. Thank you for that. Being the lead and key developer, you have been instrumental in the successful rollout of the several UPL releases. Vinita, you're very smart, hardworking, and a thorough professional. The fact that you have never missed a release date speaks volume about your diligence and professionalism. any team would like to have you. Jim will agree with me 100%, and so will your colleagues. You will be greatly missed. Our loss is the other company's gain. Damn them. But just kidding. I only wish that we could work together in the future. I wish you a great success in your career. Keep smiling. Be happy. Thank you.